Hey everybody, I'm sitting in my kitchen, which is where I do my work. I don't have a studio. I am definitely looking for one because I have so outgrown this space, and I have a bedroom full of well over 100 paintings. I probably have way more than that. I just wanted to show you what I was doing today. I'm just taking a quick run into town because I live out in the country, heading into Fayetteville. And I'm dropping off 2 paintings that are going to be in an exhibition for the next, maybe about a month, I'm not sure. And it's going to be down at Cape Fear Studios downtown. It's going to be at Cape Fear Studios downtown on Hay Street, or off of Hay Street. It's in the downtown Fayetteville area, Cape Fear Studios. And it's a national competition, and I've got 2 pieces, and it'll be there through the end of July. So this is one of them, and it's 30 by 30. And you know, I do art. I've painted for 20 years, so besides fluid art, I do also other art. Some realistic, some more abstract, and usually very colorful because color makes me really happy. So this is called Regenerate. And I don't know if I can get the whole thing on the camera, but it's kind of funky and organic and really colorful. It got accepted and it's going. And then this one here is called Spirit. It's also 30 by 30, and it's really special to me. I did this in memory of a girlfriend of mine who passed away this past year with breast cancer. And she was just a beautiful person inside and out. Just a sweet, sweet soul, and just gone way too soon. So I did this in memory of her, and she was a very colorful and happy person until the day she died. She was a true warrior, and this represents her, in my opinion. It's called Spirit. So that is that painting, and again it's like 30 by 30. I wanted to show you too, though. I don't know if you can tell. This was done with acrylics, and there's a slight sheen to it. But it's not glossy, and I'm sure I could put way more on it. But one of my friends on Facebook, or it might have been a YouTube follower, I'm not sure, she told me about a product, and I just put this clear coat on 30 minutes ago. It's called Gambar Gloss by Gamblin, G-A-M-B-L-I-N, like gambling, but no G. And it's called Picture Varnish. And it's washable. I know that because I washed it off my hands. But there's dangers, you know, warnings on it and all that. It saturates colors in your painting and gives your work a unified and protective gloss surface. Gambar Gloss stays water clear and can easily be removed with Gamsol. Gambar Gloss is odorless, does not have an odor. That is very true. And it can be applied with the thickest areas of your painting are dry, when your thickest areas of your painting are dry, and firm to the touch. It may be used, excuse me, on oil or acrylic paintings. Brush applied, do not spray. I didn't want to put it on with a brush because I thought it would take too long to dry. So I just got a little dollar sponge and saturated my sponge and just buffed on the canvas, and then went back and forth like this all the way down. And I waited about 10 minutes, and then I took a paper towel and I buffed it again. And it is dry and it gave it just a slight sheen, a higher sheen than was already there from the acrylic paints. But I had gotten a mark on it by scraping it with another painting. So there was a little bit of a black smudge, and I used like Mr. Eraser, the eraser you use to get marks off your walls and things like that. And it took the mark off, but then it kind of takes a little bit of the sheen off of your paint. Like if you used it on your walls before, you'll see where it kind of changes the sheen of your paint. Well, this is what I thought of, because I thought, I don't have time to varnish this. I've got to take it in for the exhibition today. So I wiped on a little bit of this with a sponge, and boom, it was dry enough for me to take in. They're not going to hang it until the first of the week, but it's dry to the touch already. So this is really cool. You might want to consider it. I ordered it online. I have no idea. That's really country sounding. I have no idea if you can get it at Michael's or Hobby Lobby locally or somewhere like that. Definitely not at Walmart. I ordered it online when she told me about it, and I really haven't used it but a few times, but it really does work. So that's that. So I had a few things I wanted to go over with you. This is not a painting video. I just had a few things I wanted to share with you. I did start a Facebook group, and I'm looking at the wrong side of the camera, I think. I started a Facebook group because I wanted to connect with my subscribers on a more personal level. And with YouTube, used to, before I started my own channel, I never signed in to my YouTube when I was watching videos. So when you're not signed in, you can't comment, you can't even like a video or dislike it. So you always had to sign in, and I would never fool with it. It was just too much of a hassle. So I'm sure that might be the case for some of you, is you don't even remember your login for YouTube, which I don't remember mine. I finally had to go find it when I wanted to start my channel. So I had to get my Gmail, which I never use. But so I thought, I want a way for people to be able to connect with me on a more personal level. And you can always email me at my website, which is sandralett.com, all together, www.sandralett.com. There's a contact box there, and you can always email me there. And you can send me pictures there too. But this Facebook group was designed especially for people that are enjoying watching the acrylic pouring or art or whatever. And it gives you a chance to join the group, which is a closed group, but it's open as far as you can see it to find the name of the group, but it's closed as far as other people that are not in the group. They can't see the posts in this group. So if you're a little more shy about sharing, or you kind of just want to watch and you know, see what people post and not really have to reply, this is the place to do it. It's just a comfortable place where you can come and make posts if you want to. And I wanted something where if you're inspired by my art, you can come over to this Facebook page and be able to comment. And maybe if you try something, like you tried a technique of my swiping or something, and you've tried it and you're pretty pleased with your picture of it, take a picture and post it there. That's what I designed it for. I wanted to be able to share my art with y'all, and then y'all give me feedback, and we gain things from each other. That's the whole point about being an artist to me, is it is therapy, and it's about sharing and caring and just spreading some love, and that's what it's all about. So the Facebook group page is called Sandra Let's Share Let's share our acrylic fluid art. But don't worry about trying to type that in. If you want to, you can just click on the link below. I will have a link, and it's in all my videos now at the very top in the description under the video. So you can click on that link, and that will take you to the group, and you just request to join because it is a closed group, and I'll add you to it. And then you can see what posts are coming up. And there's also one feed that is kind of ongoing that kind of everybody kind of says, if they want to, if they're comfortable with it, who they are and where they live and how they got into acrylic pouring or art or however. And it just kind of helps us and me know a little bit more about you. And there's really a lot of people that we all kind of share a lot in common with losing people to cancer and having family members with drug addictions and all kinds of things. And so it's just a way to get a little bit more connected with each other. So also, like I said, if you want to email me, you can always go to my website and email me personally there. You can email me through the Facebook group. I have another announcement. I'm going to be in a show in Raleigh, North Carolina. It's called RAW, R-A-W, Connect. And it's going to be a big group of artists, musicians, performers, fashion, hair, makeup. It's going to be on Thursday, July 19th at 7 p.m. at the Ritz in Raleigh on Industrial Drive, I think, or Industrial Road or something like that. But I'm also putting a link at the bottom of my video that takes you to my Raw Artist page, and it just shares a little bit about me, and it posts a few pictures of some of my artwork. And I'm going to have a little space at this venue, and if you're in the area, I would love for you to come. The tickets are $20, and there is a link in my Raw Artist page. There's a link where you can purchase a ticket for $20. And if you can come, I would love to see you. And if you can't come, if you'd love to support me in spirit and purchase a ticket, it will go towards my fees for being in that show. So I would love for you to take a look at that if you would like to. And then the final thing I wanted to mention is there's another channel. The lady's name is Lily, and it's called LilysMix. And she has been on YouTube for, I think, a year or two doing acrylic pouring. She lives in Wilmington, North Carolina, which is 2 hours away from me. I'm outside of Fayetteville, North Carolina. And we are going to do a collaboration on Saturday, June 23rd. We haven't picked a time yet, but it's going to be live. And I'm hoping a lot of people can, tune in and watch us do a live pour together, which is going to be really awesome. We've never met in person. This will be our first time when we meet. And we're going to do it at her place, and then maybe the next month she's going to come here to my place, and we're going to do it here. And maybe make this a regular thing, but we would love to actually collaborate together and do this for you. And it'll give you a chance to comment, and if you want to donate or whatever. But I just hope that we'll get lots of people to come and watch and do a live pour. I think that'll be really fun. And my plan, we haven't talked on the phone or anything yet, but we've just emailed each other back and forth. My plan would be to, start it from start to finish, showing, mixing the paints and everything, and so that you can kind of see the whole process and how it all goes down. So that was the other thing I wanted to mention, was the collaboration on June 23rd, Saturday. And it will be live, and we will keep you posted on what time. So that is all the news I have, but I tried a couple of angel wing videos, and they'll be posted. One is being posted today when I post this video, and I'll be posting one tomorrow. It's still drying. I didn't have much luck. Kristen Steen is the one that I watched her videos, and she does these beautiful angel wings, and I just can't do it. God said, you can't make angel wings, Sandra. So I'm going to have to make angel wings another way, maybe by swiping them, I don't know, but it didn't work for me. So I'm going to add this video today just so you could get a little bit of the news and updated. And also, one other thing. I want to do a giveaway, a free giveaway of a painting. And it can't be like super large as far as shipping goes, but let's say maybe up to 16, 18 inches, something like that. I want to do a giveaway because I've got almost 24,000 subscribers. And when I hit 25,000, I want to do a giveaway. So I'm going to create a poll or something. I'm not sure what I'm going to do because this is all kind of new to me as far as polls and the community features on YouTube and all that. I haven't really learned all the tricks, and I have never done a live video on YouTube. But maybe I'll pick out, 10 paintings or something like that and give you an option. And then maybe I'll have whoever wants to be a part of this contest to comment or do something, and I'll find a way to pick a winner. I'm going to have to do my research on it. On my website, I can do contests all day long because I have control of my website, and I've got the email system and the host and everything. They have a contest. It's called Rewards Fuel Rewards, or Rewards by Fuel. And it automatically knows when everybody puts in their email how to randomly pick a winner and all that stuff. So I'm not sure with YouTube, with so many subscribers, how that will work. So we will check into it and get the specifics. And then I will post a poll or some kind of thing to get your input on, and maybe I'll just pick, maybe 10 paintings, and whoever wins gets to pick one from the 10 paintings. Maybe that'll work. So thank you so much for watching my channel. It just means the world to me that you trust me to be like a teacher to you, a mentor or whatever, give you ideas, inspiration, creativity, whatever it is that you gain from me. I appreciate you watching, and I hope you'll stay tuned for a lot more fun projects. I have a big one that's going to be 30 by 48 maybe. I'm going to do a mermaid because I was challenged several months ago to do a mermaid painting, and I decided I'm not going to do it small, I'm going to do it large. So and Deco Art is going to sponsor me on some of the paints, and I'm waiting for all that to come in, and I'm hoping it's going to be really glitzy and glamorous and all that good stuff. So I will keep you posted, and well, you'll see the video when it happens. So thanks a bunch, and I'll talk to you later.